What's up, everybody? Hold on, my crew's leaving. We're the 513 FPV gang. We're like the Gucci gang or whatever that song's about. We're at this bando. There's all kinds of bando water. Like I said last time I was here, there's way more bando water this time. But I don't know if you guys can see my shirt. I'll try to get it. We've been trimming stuff. You guys like that shirt?
Yeah, I get my boy's shirt. I wore Aeon shirt today.
That's Bullfrog, Jimmy Freak.
Yeah, I'm in typical Bullfrog.
Yeah, we're trimming trees so there's more gaps to hit. So hopefully we don't hit any bando water. All right, here's some flight footage.
You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. You got a fast car. Managed to save just a little bit of money. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. You got a fast car. Managed to save just a little bit of money. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. You got a fast car. Managed to save just a little bit of money. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. You got a fast car. Managed to save just a little bit of money.
Sometimes I rhyme slow, sometimes I rhyme quick. Don't matter long as my chest on every line I spit. Folk, they wanna know what makes rhyme clutch tick. I tell them unconditional love for my clique. What don't kill me only makes me tough. So much building up is gonna make me bust. Cold world better not freeze up. Keep the pressure on, can't afford to ease up. Move at the speed of life, can't slow down. Chasing a dollar bill, make the world go round. Jump in the truck in pursuit of some happiness. Gotta get back to the roots of my happiness. Things ain't always what they supposed to be. Open my eyes, see what I'm supposed to see. Ain't really sure what I'm supposed to be. My brother broke it down, it's what he told to me.
Bullfrog, you're on camera. Looking all cool and shit. This tango too. Jimmy's looking all cool and shit with his boxer. It's gonna go good.
Well, I got you going through the gap. Looks like he managed to crash in the most poison ivyest spot ever. Poison ivy. There he is. Poison ivy. There he is. Well, at least he's gonna get it himself, so I don't have to get all itchy.
I got to get to it pretty good too, dude.
Yeah, if you don't like get sucked into the gravel, the quick gravel or whatever. There you go.
I'm gonna try to fly.
Recovered.
There it goes, Bullfrog. It's going. It's going. Nice.
I'm doing 90 in the slow lane, but what's the rush? I gotta get my shit together cause I'm losing it. Plus, you know that time waits for no man, we get it and grind. So maybe one day we'll be able to sit and recline. But right now, let me plot and scheme and try to get mine. I'ma lay it on the line for my son or my daughter. Saved up a few dollars, couple nickels and quarters. Let's get out of here within a year, we triple our quota. No but, no need to slow up, just look at my eye. You'll see I'm no lie. Everything I'm talking, I try. It's ride or die in my caddy hog, walking up fly. We gon' make it to our destination, always on time. And I ain't got too many seconds to be wasting on crime. If I rewind, that's the only reason I'm flying. I'm wide open on I-65 across the county line. And if you're down like you say, come on, hop and I drive.
no static, got an automatic. Blowing weed as a weed through the traffic. Wonder how it ain't me in a casket. Trying to hustle, selling D for a classic. I wanted more than just some D's on the classic. I wanted money where my people can have shit. And they ain't stopping till I had that. Till my Jaegers locked up, them some years we gotta have back. Mom and Pa still living in the same house. We can make $1 million, they don't change house. Population 30,000, we all poor. The whole world think we slow and we all know. One high school, 25 liquor store. Move to the city, gon' live with the rich folks. But I swear I'm coming back more. Shed tears as I jumped in my fast car.
All right, we're done flying the bando. Nobody's gonna talk, I guess, but me.
Yeah.
Any last thoughts?
No, I'm tired.
Tired.
It's been hot.
Look at this shit. Hot.
I know the last thought. Fuck the FAA.
There you go.
Woo! All right, thanks for watching. Go sub to those guys,
That guy.
both of them.
I guess, yeah.
All right, see ya.